Have you been watching what Elon Musk has been doing? He's got a company called Neuralink where they want to plug in some electrodes into your brain and then tap right into your thoughts. And I'm wondering, if you look at this technology, would you ever think that language is archaic technology? And would you ever think that maybe language is what separates us from connecting with what we all are, which is humans having a human experience? Is that ever something you've contemplated? Because I know your work has been in linguistics.
This is complete science fiction. And forget about it. Not within, almost nothing is understood about how the brain processes language. There are things that can be done, and they're getting a huge amount of publicity, but they're essentially meaningless. It's PR. So, for example, there's a lot of publicity about the fact that what's called deep learning, the use of supercomputers to work on huge amounts of data very quickly. And they can pretty well do things like, say, making a good guess if you're writing something and predicting what the next word might be. There's some programs, very annoying programs, that you have on your computer which guesses what the next word is going to be if you write something. And that's considered a profound discovery. We've discovered creativity. It's actually zero significance, totally insignificant. If you tried this in, say, you looked at scientific experiments, if you looked at billions of scientific, say, chemistry experiments, and you take the sequence of events that take place, you could predict pretty well what the next thing is going to be. You mix these two chemicals, it's going to turn blue. Is that chemistry? It's nothing. This is public relations for IBM. But you see, there are articles in serious journals, New Yorker, there's a great discovery. Total zero. Almost nothing is understood about how the brain computes. In fact, there's good evidence that what people are looking at isn't even the right thing. The models that are developed, say at Silicon Valley and elsewhere, are based on neural nets. And of course, neural nets are there and they do something. But there's pretty good evidence that they're not what's involved in neural computation. This is, at the moment, critical voices among scientists, but I think they're probably right. There's a lot of reasons to believe that. They may be just looking at the wrong place.